Smoothie. You want a sandwich?
Yes, please.
I'm getting a sandwich and smoothie. At the cheese factory.
Then we are off to Igorminster.
Captain Cook.
First mate. Skivvy.
I am the deckhand.
En route to Ipsos.
I've already spoken to it just now. You're still smoking again.
In the background
Where's
is
Ipsos?
coffee.
There.
Stuff, but luckily was hanging on.
You can't get it.
Yeah.
I found the nap spot.
Alive.
Probably.
Are you coming to swim?
No, it's good. It's just water.
Will you fall? You've got swimming. Be careful.
Jammer's the notte.
Ja, ja. Have me on camera.
Charles is making a fishing here. There's a nice swell running here. The thing you see moving in the middle all the time is this steering. I've got the autopilot on. Christine's sitting, there's Aiden fully equipped with his life jacket and safety harness attached onto the back of the boat here. It's very nice. That's Brandy sitting up front there. Got 20.3 meters underneath the keel. We're off the coast of Paxos. Motor sounds a bit sick.
You ready, monkey? Charles? He's quickly just testing the boat, maybe. Shirt off. Yeah. Mom, can you put that there? Take your shirt off. You're gonna stop anyway.
What we normally do after a trip, give a couple, and that was me, we check everybody out, their claim to fame, and that's what's gonna happen tonight. We're gonna get some prizes, some recognition prizes.
I know the water's cold, but no excuse.
And we will, hand some out tonight. Sorry, my assistant's a bit behind schedule. Just relax, just have it easy, and jy vat nie fotos. And Mrs. Genevieve, would you please come over here? All right, yes, you'll have to. There's no ways about it. All right?
You got to put your hand in his pants for your prize.
All right, now would you face me? God, you drink your gat op my. Would you kneel on these? Okay. So we'll have to work.
He's gonna marry you now.
The coach aside, yes, thank you. Glasses, yes. All right. Looking at her in the eye. And Prost! Okay, Yamas, one shot. Go. Very good. Give him a hand, ladies and gentlemen. And yeah, coming up. This is your
Take it,
It's
thank you.
yours. It's yours. Whenever you have that drink in Namibia, you think of a nice time in Greece. Hey, don't eventually. All right. I had a few discussions with this couple here, and in between, okay, I'll just make it very short. I'll talk very fast. I had a little discussion with the people, and that's what they decided on the way. Perfect, got it. Yes. Man, you're slow. Okay. And they are currently building a house in winter. And then I said, well, I think you need a house in Greece. So Rob says, you need a house in Greece, and I want to stay in a house in Greece. He said, a house in Greece, but what I mean myself decided he needs a house in Greece.
I agree with you.
Thank you very much.
100%.
So, what we've got, we made.
We stole your credit card. We bought you a house in Greece.
We made a little
Oh, that's cute.
down payment on a house in Greece. I know we're missing the pool.
The
You have to do that
renovation's
yourself.
dream.
You have to do the pool
That's
yourself.
beautiful.
You have to do that. Okay. They need a house in Greece. And in the light must shine in the house. Okay. Just remember that. You'll figure that out. Then what we have in here is in front of every house is a flag, ladies and gentlemen, and we've got a flag for Christine to hang up to remember where is the house? Greece. Thank you. I'm strong.
I'm all for you.
I'm the only sober one here.
Someone's sleeping on a wet bed.
Careful.
No. This is serious stuff. What do you mean sit on your what? How's your food? You want something to eat? Where do you sleep? How do you sleep? Shall I wash your clothes? Where's the laundry? I'm looking after you. You want some bananas? You want some this? Bananas, fruit. Bananas. So, let's make this piece. Yeah. No, it's not. No, I will update. So, where's Aiden?
Aiden is sleeping.
Okay, he gets it tomorrow morning.
Yes, tomorrow morning.
So we got for 30 years of marriage. Lekker. Oh, what?
It's got recipes on it.
Yes, there's all the recipes on. Look. And ladies and gentlemen, for the person that brought us here, that actually convinced us there, although there were others that convinced us someday, I will not look at them, and so on, but who's organized everything so on, we think he needs something a sailor needs. That is sailing captain. It's no, give it back. It looks bloody nice.
He'll give you the hat if you give him the gold boxes.
He's gonna get one leg in as well. Very nice.
Great. Thank
Sorry.
What you doing, Aiden? Aiden, what you doing?
My fix. I thought it was past 12, but it's not. Come on.
Just outside the port of Agostoli in Kefalonia.
Lady Will.
Lost again.
It was back on my, now I'm lost again.
My only fear would be there'd be an earthquake in Morocco. I'd have a life raft on my roof.
Porto Bati.
Do you need that ball in the front there or what?
Homemade hi-fi. Justus on the hill, stuffing his mouth with chips again. We're sailing along at about 9.5 knots. Fabulous day, but we're going behind the island, so the wind is getting variable again. We're in the Lefkas Canal, 6:30 in the morning. Just still asleep. We're waiting for the bridge to open. There's the bridge up ahead. In the background is Lefkas town. There is Jooste in my shadow. The sun has poked its head over the horizon. Charles standing there, half asleep. He's just put some music on so we can listen to some country music while we're waiting for the bridge to open. The boat's waiting to go through the bridge. The bridge opens every hour. We thought it opened at 6, but it only opens at 7 first time. That's Anne and Johan coming up the canal. In the background is Lefkas Marina. Probably the best marina we've been at in Greece. Very well organized. Yeah, the bridge is opening. The sun is in my face. Small little German yacht. Bridge swings back onto that piece there. The old harbour fortification at Lefkas.
Tastes even better than it smells. Dragoman,
I can inhale it?
you have to. You have to inhale a big one.
Maybe a salty sea dog.
Jesus, that's terrible. Just inhale it. No, that's your nose. Inhale it.
Bit of a blow going to Laka, as you can see. We've got the spray dodge away and the waves are coming over the bow. Christine's sitting there. We've just had a cigarette. One of these things. Randy steering. As you can see, there's a lot of white water out there, but we're going well.
Look, my hands.
Good blow, blowing at about 4-7. We made it to Laka. Now the harbour's full of get back.
I need to get posted.
Just pop it in reverse. That's good. That's good. Keep it in reverse. Alright. Keep it in reverse. You're doing good. Brandy?
Brandy, come to the front.
Brandy?
What?
Come to the stern. Brandy. Come to the stern, please. Pull the power on. Okay.
Go, go.
Get it ready. Need a bit of that right here.
Charlie Brown for president.
Swimming to the surgery. Baby bear. Hello, baby bear.
We are waiting for Charles, Jooste, Aiden and a short bus to return. Doesn't Brandy look beautiful today?
I try every day.
do it again. Please don't do it again. He does it again. Hi, Aiden.
Watch everyone's head.
J-Dub, why did you buy batteries?
Chris wanted.
Oh, cool.
Okay, pull it through and do the same again, round there and through the whole.
Same.
Hi.
Hello.
You see how fast I was rowing?
I saw that. You're awesome.
Hey, guys. What happened?
We switched it off for safety.
Partner's towing us at the rate of about 5 knots. So it's going to take us the best part of 5.
Ma la catena delle gomme, porca troia.
Told us that we were going out the car.
Well, I know.
Okay, well, we're going to walk down to the bottom.
I don't know if it's about 3 meters.
We're in the town of Karia on Lefkada.
Yeah, but you threw it away now, it's gone. Hello, Granddad.
Hello, I'm Robin.
Come sit here, my boy.
I'm sorry.
Can I have a kiss? Can I have a perfect hug?
Madrid. quite a best of both worlds. Haircut here.
You must cut it in there.
The Stawley waterfront from the pier. Little harbour. That's the entrance. Syntagma Square, where all the writings were. Souvenir shops about. Station.